That man shit up.
Why that man up on that shit like that?
The cloud lift that man shit all the way in the fucking air like that. That's fucked up.
Damn.
Yo, Buffalo, y'all fucked up for that. Yo, Byron Brown, this shit from around the corner from your house too. Yo, that's some fucked up shit, Byron Brown. The fuck?
Yes. Literally. Right, the other ones.
Oh man, my sister not answering the phone. I gotta go get my daughter. Fuck out of here. This shit crazy. Oh my God. Crazy. Oh, these cars stuck.
I know they mad as hell. Big ass tree.
Bro, this is crazy. Look at this. Oh my God. Let me show y'all my house. Oh my God. Look. This is crazy. This is a fucking tree. Okay, I'm coming. Oh, this looks fucking crazy. Look. This is my aunt's house. They mad as hell. Look. Oh my God. This is fucking crazy. He said, stay down there then. Bitch, I'm coming. Oh, this is my aunt's house. And I just want to eat my snacks. And instead I have to record. Look. This is her house. You can't see it because the tree fell. This is me walking. This is my aunt's house. Oh my gosh, this is her car. Thank God it was backed up. Thank God it was not in the front of her house. Because look, this is crazy. Okay. I made it here. I can eat my snacks.
This is how much they plow on the main street. This is a main street right here. Not gonna get down here. A truck blocking the street. Y'all need to stay in the house if ain't no need to come out. This is bad. 4x4 or not, it don't matter. You're gonna get stuck. You're gonna get stuck. Stay in the house.
Cars got stuck. Look how they got stuck.
Oh my God.
Look at that.
That's crazy. And then you know what? They so dense, they ain't even, it's like they ain't even coming to shoot me. I be out trying to get my shit out of this shit.
But they supposed to came and told those cars and
Yes,
stuff.
they supposed to.
How it look from the inside of the garage. Like, whoa. This is crazy. This is a lot of snow.
And then when they take the shit away from here, then y'all motherfuckers gonna be mad as hell. But that's what y'all get for being stupid. See, y'all don't get, motherfuckers think see, that's not common sense. They don't have common sense. They don't be thinking about that shit. Now we go in here and loot and acting all crazy and shit. They might not reopen up this motherfucker. Then where we gonna go? They don't think about that shit.
Truck shuttle service.
People abandoned their cars and really
vehicle.
never came back for them, though. Like,
Yeah, that's a drone, Sam. Sam, like, is that a plane?
I'm looking like, okay, is that a plane? Because I could have sworn they said no motherfucking planes wasn't leaving till tomorrow.
what you said, only in Buffalo?
Only wild tab, and it's just like stuck. It's just like there.
Yeah.
It's just like poop.
A whole camper.
A whole 1976 camper. I tell you, boy, you can see we be seeing some mess, don't we?
Oh, look at that shit.
What the hell did y'all done did? Oh, probably from all that looting and stuff, probably.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
This is crazy. It just don't make no sense how these Negroes act.